How to sign in to Microsoft Office 365. So if you want to log in or sign into your Microsoft Office 365, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go for the search bar and search for Microsoft Office 365 login. And then you can go for the first search, which is www.office.com. And once you click on the first search, you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. And now you need to enter your email or your phone number or your Skype on the first blank, and then click on next. And you need to enter your password on the next step. So if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and then click on sign in. And if you want to stay signed into your Microsoft account, then click on yes. And that's it. That's how you log into your Microsoft Office 365. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.